Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something very important, how to change your life when everything feels stuck. Sometimes we wait for a new month or a new year, but actually, you don't need that. You just need one strong day to flip everything. Let me share it with you like my own story. I am speaking from heart. Okay, let's start. First, understand this harsh truth. Most people don't change because they're not in enough pain yet. They watch success videos but make excuses. But if you are watching this, something inside you is ready. Today is not about hacks. It's about switching on. Step one, confess to yourself. Stop pretending. You're not too tired. You are undisciplined. Not too busy. Unfocused. Not too late. Just scared. Write down top 3 lies you tell yourself, like I'll start tomorrow or I need motivation. Read them loud. Will hit you hard, but that's truth waking up. No shame, just real. Now, step two, clean your digital life. Your phone is like an invisible cage. 75% of your stress comes from notifications and Instagram fake lives. They make you feel small. So, challenge, delete 3 apps that waste your time. Unfollow 5 people who make you feel bad. Turn your phone to grayscale for just one day. You'll see your brain gets space to think clear again. Step three, burn old identity. Take a notebook and answer, who did I become that I never wanted? What habits make me someone I don't like? What do I pretend to care about just to fit in? Now destroy that page. Tear it. Burn it. You are burying the old you, the one who always almost changes. This ritual is powerful. Trust me. Then step four, warrior hour. Set a timer for 60 minutes. First 20 minutes, move body. Run, push-ups, squats, cold shower. Shake off the fog. Next 20, mental dump. Write every thought, fear, dream. No censor. Last 20, stillness. Sit, breathe, no music, just silence. Clarity will come like volume turning down on life. Step five, reset your system. Fresh page. If I fix one habit, what will it be? Sleep, phone, laziness, choose keystone. 2, if I focus 30 days, what do I become? Not dream, become. 3, who do I disappoint today so I don't disappoint myself? Friends, parents, put this on the wall as blueprint. At night, step 6, 9 p.m. mirror check. Stand there and say, I showed up fully today. No lies. Raw effort. It's the opposite of scrolling, just to forget a wasted day. You faced it. Now, let me connect this to the bigger picture. I remember a time when I wanted one thing badly, my soulmate. I tried hard, but kept failing. Boyfriends seemed perfect, but they left saying timing not right. I felt heartbroken, like something was wrong with me. Why do others have it, not me? I learned when things aren't going your way, it's because we try to control too much. We can't have everything as we want, others have their wants too. Society teaches achieve, go after. But sometimes grasping pushes away, like meditation, the Eastern way is allow, not grasp. I was a control freak because of fear of being alone. That made me intense, scared people away. So I experimented, let go, no expectations, just observe life. I got laid off, but I started meditation, yoga, walks with a friend. Incredible things happened. I felt less stress, stopped depression meds, started my own business, found real friends in a group studying the quest. I grew comfortable single, loved myself. Then soulmate came. Mike, at a singles event, we matched everything, interests, food, even differences were compatible. It happened when I dropped control and went with flow. See, this one day method and letting go. They work together. You won't become Elon Musk overnight, but you become dangerous realizing you can do it again. Life changes not in time, but in decisions. If you do this, don't just like the video. Come back 9 p.m., comment, I did it. I showed up. Let's see, who wants real change? Guys, try it. Drop expectations. Tap into what comes. You'll be happier. If you like, subscribe, hit the bell. Share your story below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.